In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to update BIOS Asus TUF Gaming A520M Plus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. BIOS updates can be performed using the Easy Flash feature. This is built into ASUS motherboards, and you will be able to easily get it done. The only requirement is that you have a USB flash drive. The size requirement isn't strict. As long as it can hold the BIOS files necessary for the update, you will be good to go. So to acquire these files needed for the update, go into the ASUS website, look for your specific motherboard. So for this video specifically, the TUF Gaming A520M Plus. Go into this page, click support as you can see highlighted here, then driver and utility, and download the BIOS. You will get some files similar to these ones. If a BIOS renamer is included, just run the executable file and it is going to rename the actual BIOS file needed. This will make it easier for your BIOS to locate it and perform the update. So once it is properly renamed and you have the file on your USB drive, you will be able to plug it into any of the available ports on the back of your motherboard. So plug it into any compatible USB port, and once it is inserted here, go into the BIOS. Now, under the tool category, you will be able to find ASUS Easy Flash. Just access the utility option here, and now you will see all of these storage devices connected to the motherboard. So you will see the USB flash drive alongside your hard drives, your SSDs, and so on. All that you have to do is locate your USB flash drive from the list. Now you can browse through a variety of folders, and upon browsing these folders, you should be able to locate the BIOS file that you renamed, regardless of where you placed it. As soon as you select that BIOS file, you will be able to proceed and perform the update. Make sure that the power does not go off during this, and don't cancel it midway through. Just let this process finish. It can take up to some minutes, and as long as it does, the BIOS will be updated. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS ASUS TUF Gaming A520M Plus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.